36 Squadron identified the need for VR goggles through working with Boeing. And historically speaking, we've sought Boeing assistance from overseas to come and assist with deeper level tasks, which would go over a number of days. Traditionally, we would send away the more experienced technician to accompany the aircraft on mission. What HoloLens allows us to do is send away a less experienced novice team. Although capable, they don't have the experience to perform in-depth troubleshooting. At the moment, the team is working on the flotation equipment deployment system changeout. It's a scheduled maintenance task which comes about every couple of years. HoloLens allows them to call home via live video feed on what the technician is seeing and where they need support. This way there's no information lost, which allows for a more efficient rectification to be carried out, and it receives the assistance, engineering, tech drawings and or direction on how to make the aircraft serviceable in a timely manner.